Are you a doctoral student transitioning from coursework to your pre-proposal? Or have you already started working on your capstone study or dissertation? Consider enrolling in a doctoral writing workshop. With the help of your Doctoral Writing Workshop faculty member, you will spend 6 weeks advancing your draft through tailored one-on-one writing instruction and supportive group work with your peers. We offer 6 workshops for different stages of the doctoral capstone or dissertation. The Preproposal Workshop will help you become knowledgeable about the specific requirements of your program. You will also work on a different component of your preproposal document or form each week, receiving tailored feedback from your writing faculty member. In addition, you will practice important research skills, work toward effective communication with faculty, and learn important self-assessment and revision strategies. The Proposal Workshop will introduce you to the required components of the proposal, and you will have the opportunity to learn how to address common writing issues such as APA, citing and referencing sources, clarity and concision, and writer's block. In the Introduction Workshop, you will have the opportunity to learn how to describe your study, its purpose and its intentions, as well as how to develop a strong problem statement, articulate the gap in literature or practice, and overcome writer's block in this section. Is writing the literature review a stumbling block for you? During the Literature Review Workshop, you will learn effective use of summary and synthesis, how to apply correct use of APA and source citations, and how to articulate your search strategies. If you are working on the Methods section of your study, the Methods section workshop will give you the opportunity to learn how to effectively explain data collection and analysis, format APA-compliant tables and figures, as well as articulate ethical procedures and concerns associated with your study. Finally, consider the Postproposal Workshop if you have a working draft of the post-proposal, including the results, discussion, conclusion, and recommendation section of your capstone study or dissertation. Enroll in this workshop if you find yourself needing writing guidance and support while revising your post-proposal. To register for any upcoming doctoral writing workshop, contact your Student Success Advisor. To learn more about the Doctoral Writing Workshops and other CAEX courses, visit academicguides.waldenu.edu/CAEX.